What happened?
You asleep?
I'm not asleep now. Well, what's up?
My bad, dude. Hey, I need your help.
What happened? What's going on?
Mama Lona down, dude.
Did you say the Mama Lona down?
Mama Lona down, bro. Come through, please.
Say less. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Fuck, where am I going?
Hello?
Hey, where are you stranded at?
Oh, I'm in the city of Arlington. I'm off the 57 on your Belinda on the AutoZone.
Alright, send me that text so I could be right there.
Alright, don't forget your tools, dude.
Oh shit. Check it out, everybody. We're here in the city of Fullerton right now. As you can see, this is not my truck right here. This is my sister's truck, GMC Sierra, 5.7 4x4. You know, she has it all mean black, slammed. So we're here wondering what happened, and so since before I got here, so I could go help her out, she figured out what was going on. The tension that has like a pulley right here. She figured it out that it was stuck. So we're wondering like why it's stuck. So once we remove this part right here, as you can see closely, the bearings are jammed. They're already broken. She was saying that she was gassing up right here, and I guess too much it heated up and it just exploded right here. So right here it was stuck. So what happened? It'll turn off the engine. It warped the belt as well. So we're gonna change the belt right now, and we already changed this part right here as well. We bought a new part that came with the pulley already. As you can see, it is an aftermarket one. It's easy to change. Just unscrew that bolt right here, these two bolts, the bottom one and the top, and it'll just pull out right out easy. It is a 15 and it is a 16 in the bottom, if you guys are wondering. And so this is what it was before. It's probably like an actual OEM, like original part.
30 years old.
30 years old. But since I didn't record that, we're gonna record like us putting the belt back on. We got the right belt that goes with it. Put it all together and let's see if she cranks up. So as you can see, this one does have the AC. It's just a quick diagram, but it's just in case this motor doesn't have it. Now the cool thing about these 350s, these puppies will run really good, even if anything is like all messed up or damaged. So we're gonna just put it down, lay it out real good. We out. Get the inwards. A fresh belt right now. Put this in. So quick tip. Always go for the bigger pulley, which is the harmonic balance. So the harmonic balance is located in the bottom. That's just to put everything in place when you pull this the belt, so it could be installed nicely and tight. So now I kind of have a grip on it. So I'm gonna go and advance to this next one right here. Pull this upwards, get it out of my way. And here's the other one right here. I could reach to my alternator. Now here's where it gets kind of tricky because I gotta put this reverse. I gotta reverse this part, pull it downwards. Okay, we're lost. All right. Good thing we have a diagram to see where the hell we're looking at right now. What the hell? Alright, there. Okay. Guess I gotta go reverse. Alright, so check it out, you guys. We figured it out, like how good thing we have a diagram that still put it right here in this old GM right here. Now I'm gonna get a ratchet right now so I can pull the pulley upwards so I can put the belt right in place. So this could lay right here nicely. So you think I should do it like in a...
With the alternator, yeah, take it off and put it down. And by you pulling it on the other side, you can put it up.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I get you. Okay.
Hey, you want me to hold it over there? Go.
Level it from the bottom.
Hold on, let me.
You see the pulley that I'm pulling?
Where?
Center that? Yeah.
Is everything centered?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, there you go.
Alright, so check it out, you guys. We're gonna release it right now. And that's how you put the belt back. Now the question is it gonna crank? So this is a 1990 GMC Sierra with the Steely's, got the nice chrome hubs right there. Got a red bed liner. There's still a little work to be done. She's saying she needs the side lens right here that she just ordered. Today her plan was to take it to an upholstery shop to get her whole seating done. We're gonna see if this thing cranks. Cranked up nice. That's a beauty right there. Let the hot air go out, but she's turning on. But the engine runs beautiful. She's a beauty. Like I mentioned, the problem was this right here. Look at these bearings that they're all ruined right here. You can see like the metals that they're broken off. And so what was happening, the pulley, the belt was trying to go throughout the whole engine. And so when this was stuck, this was literally stuck, it wasn't even moving. It will just it'll exhaust and put a big load on the engine, it will just turn off. And what happened with the belt stretched as well because it was pulling too much. Now these 5.7s are really powerful, so it's gonna stay on as long as possible, but she felt that something was wrong. She made the right move to stop right here in AutoZone and just park it for a while to see what was really going on. Pull to the side and, you know, expect it just to see what's going on. It could just be simple as changing a small little part right here. This took us about maybe 10 minutes just to pull it out. You know, a couple tools right there. You don't need to take it to no mechanic. It could just be simple as just changing this small part. You know, your engine will start running beautifully again. But if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you.